Taiwan is sending a total of 103 military personnel for training in U.S. ahead of delivery of new military platforms within next 2 years. Taiwan Air Force will deploy 65 personnel for year-long advanced air combat training program on new F16V fighter jets. In addition, it will send team of 36 military personnel who will undergo 9-month SEAD instructor course for MQ-9B Guardian drones. India has recently issued a NOTAM for military firing exercise scheduled to take place from January 15 to January 17. The specifics of the missile remains undisclosed. Experts speculate it could be BrahMos supersonic cruise missile enhancing India's strategic capabilities in the region. Serbia has unveiled its newly operational Fk3 air defense missile system acquired from China. The Fk3 is capable of engaging 6 air targets simultaneously with up to 12 missiles, targeting aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles and air-to-surface missiles traveling at speeds of up to 1,000 meters per second. A submarine drone suspected to be from China was recovered in waters off the central Philippines. 3 fishermen found drone around 9 kilometers off the coast. It has an antenna and an eye which could be used for monitoring and reconnaissance.